How to add product options in your merchant dashboard. A product option is used for products that come in different variations, like size or color. In the left menu of your dashboard, select Catalog, and select Options from the drop-down. Select the blue plus icon to add new. Enter the option or variation name, such as size, color, etc. Now select the option type. The common most used option types are Select, Radio, and Checkbox. For Select, this shows your product options in a drop-down menu on the product page. For Radio, this shows your product options in a radio-styled button. For Checkbox, this shows your product options in checkboxes. Select the blue plus icon to add a new option value or variant name. Examples are blue, black, small, large, etc. After you have added your options, select the blue save icon to save. Let's add a product option with images. Select the blue plus icon to add new. Enter the option name. Select the option type Radio. Select the blue plus icon to add a new option value name. Select the image box, then the pencil icon. Now you're in the Image Manager. If it's your first time in the Image Manager, you need to create a folder first to store your images. To do so, select the folder icon, enter the folder name, then select the blue plus icon to add and save. Click the folder that you have created to open the folder. Select the blue upload icon to upload your images. Select the image you've uploaded to assign it to your product option. After, select the blue save icon to save.